on.
I dare you to go like 2 feet
Get out of the way. Yeah, go further back. Start at the driveway.
That was 2 feet forward.
Hey, get a pedaling start.
No, it's fine. 1, 2,
Oh my God.
3.
Go, Matthew. How many times can you wipe out?
Oh, it hurt. Again.
You should stay still.
Let's go from 1 to 5. How bad does that hurt?
Alright. Yeah. No, the landing?
Look at his knee.
It's bleeding. Dude, we really need to get rid of these.
You want to do it again? Dude, come on.
One more time.
How fun was that?
Show an instant replay.
I think how fun.
Show an instant replay.